Moiram Nursery, your trusted destination for quality plants and seeds. Located at Tiniali Bazar, Lanka Hojai, Assam, 782446. Delivery available across India. Affordable prices. Bulk and retail orders accepted. Call or WhatsApp now on 8811819456 or 6003589622. Grow green, grow better with Moiram Nursery.
Ki Dr. na Manipal Hospital haka arfulai tarik jellio arja arpunriu kila penlong ya ka free cancer and cardiac consultation ha Shillong Press Club kum shibentaban batai penya halor kini ki jingpang bat kum no ban sumari ki. Haka ni kasngi la penlong ru ikajing ai jing hikai halor kum no ban le ya ka CPR haka bala wan ban yishim benta na ki nong thok khubor na ki lat pathai khubor channel baper jong ka jalla. Hapa crunch ki lat pathai khubor na kalyang ki doctor kate ka hospital ki la batai halor ka jing don jong bun jat ki jingpang nyang bampong na ka bakdo bah jalla Meghalaya ki bapun na ki bayo ka jingpang bampong ki dei ka oral cancer ka food pipe cancer bat ka stomach cancer na mar ka jing klan ban bam Kwai. Nolor kita kila angru bagi dan bon jat kijing pang bampong da kabakdo bagani kijing pang kanom la ban jat na nunu brio boyo yaka namar kala ban wan biang wat hadin bala yo jing kot.
Surgeries only. So we had to make a long cut and then approach the organs and remove whatever we have to remove and then stitch it back in. That used to cause a lot of pain. Then maybe 30-40 years back came the era of laparoscopic surgery. Initially it was only laparoscopic gallbladder surgery, small surgeries. Only later on it became even for complex surgeries like cancer surgeries. Also laparoscopy started, like for rectum cancer, for cervical cancers, for uterus cancers, for esophagus cancers. It's called VATS here in the chest. So those things happen. And now over the last 10 years or so, we have even something better than laparoscopy, which is robotic surgery, where it is using a robot that the surgeon is operating. It is not like a robot is operating on the patient. Robot is just the instrument through which we control in order to do surgery. What that does is, like for example in esophagus cancer, we used to have a long cut in the chest. So after surgery, what will happen? Pain. Scar comes very late, but immediately after surgery it is pain. And whenever you are breathing, your ribs move. And because the cut is exactly there, you'll have pain. So you'll not feel like breathing. So instead of taking long deep breath, what you'll do is very short, shallow breaths. That causes a lot of lung infections because the lung is not getting inflated. Multiple other complications leading to that. What VATS and robotic surgery does now is, there will be some 3 small holes, 1 centimeter each in the chest, and rest of the cuts will be in the abdomen or in the neck. So the chest is spared. So you do not have much pain. All those complications of bleeding because of pain after surgery goes off. So the chances of recovery, the faster recovery, the getting back to work, the less blood loss during surgery, all of those advantages come in. So even say 20 years back, esophagectomy, that is a surgery for esophagus cancer, used to be a very big surgery. And with a significant morbidity, like after surgery, complications and all. Those numbers have gone down drastically today with VATS and robotic surgeries. So in the same way this in the chest, in the same way in the abdomen we have rectum cancer, pancreatic cancers, colon cancers, which are done with laparoscopy or robotic surgeries. This is a beautiful way where technology has come to our aid and reduce the pain for patients and improve the recovery, especially in complex surgeries like cancer surgeries. And we are very proud to say that we are doing all of these surgeries and we get patients referred with difficulties like previously some surgery has been done. So now going inside again becomes more challenging. So robotic surgery becomes more important in those cases. So those patients get referred to us for surgeries.
This is very difficult to say cost. Like it's like if somebody asks you what will be the airfare. So airfare of Kolkata and London will not be the same. So there are different surgeries. Some surgeries are 12 hours long. The patient has to be admitted for 10 days, 12 days. That cost will be different. from a surgery which will be a 1 hour surgery and getting discharged in 1 day, 2 day. However, we have a unique policy. What is the biggest fear for going to a corporate hospital? That generally there is no fixed cost. So they will give an approximate budget that this surgery, I think it will cost 5 lakh, and you get admitted with a fear in mind that the cost may go up to 10 lakh, 12 lakh, and you have no idea from where you will get the money. In our hospital, in cancer surgery department, though cancer surgeries are one of the most difficult surgery, and it takes a lot of, what I can say, expertise, and complication happens. However, we are really fortunate to have the entire team from Tata Memorial, and everyone is extremely qualified. And for that reason, our complication rate is very low. So, we offer every surgery a fixed rate. So, when you are getting admitted, you will be told that the package for this surgery is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, and that is it. So even if there are minor complications, everything, extra 4 days stays, we don't charge anything. So this is a unique, and I am telling you, don't even try to compare. So I am just giving you an example. Last month, I operated one patient who is a cardiologist from Bangladesh. He came here for a thyroid surgery in private ward, and the total cost of treatment was